Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the artistic village of Montmartre in Paris? Nestled atop a hill in the City of Light, Montmartre is a haven of creativity and charm. This village, with its cobbled streets and bohemian spirit, has been the muse of many artists throughout the ages. From Picasso to Van Gogh, its allure has captured the hearts of creatives, leaving an indelible mark on the art world. Well, today we're going to delve into this fascinating world of art and history. Montmartre, steeped in a rich and vibrant history, has a tale that's as colorful as the artists it has inspired. Our journey through time takes us back to the late 19th century, a golden era known as the Belle Époque. This period, roughly spanning from the end of the Franco-Prussian War in 1871 to the outbreak of World War I in 1914, was marked by optimism, peace, and prosperity. Paris was a city in bloom, and at its heart was Montmartre. Rising above the city, Montmartre was a haven for artists, intellectuals, and freethinkers. Its winding cobblestone streets, rustic windmills, and vineyards offered a picturesque retreat from the bustling city below. It was here that the Bohemian lifestyle flourished, attracting artists such as Vincent van Gogh, Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec, and Pablo Picasso. But what was it about Montmartre that lured these creative minds? It was more than just the enchanting landscape. The village offered a sense of freedom and camaraderie that was not found elsewhere in Paris. Artists lived and worked together, sharing ideas and challenging each other. It was a melting pot of creativity, a place where art and life intertwined. During this time, Montmartre became a cultural epicenter, playing a pivotal role in the development of modern art movements such as Impressionism, Cubism, and Surrealism. The lively cabarets, such as the famous Moulin Rouge, were a source of inspiration, their vibrant performances and colorful characters immortalized in many iconic works of art. However, it wasn't all paintbrushes and canvas. Montmartre also bore witness to significant historical events. The Paris Commune, a revolutionary socialist government, briefly ruled from here in 1871. And during the dark days of World War II, Montmartre's artistic spirit remained unbroken, even under Nazi occupation. Indeed, Montmartre's history is a canvas painted with the hues of artistic brilliance and cultural richness. This hilltop village, with its blend of history, art, and bohemian spirit, continues to inspire and captivate those who walk its charming streets. It's a testament to the enduring allure of Montmartre, a place where art is not just created but lived. The allure of Montmartre wasn't just in its scenic beauty, but also in the creative energy that it fostered. This vibrant village, nestled atop a hill in the heart of Paris, has been a magnetic force for artists, writers, and creators since the late 19th century. Montmartre's unique charm lies in its cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and the panoramic view of the city from the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. But its biggest gift to the world has undeniably been its contribution to the arts. This bohemian hub was the birthplace of various art movements that took the world by storm. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the rise of Impressionism, a movement that revolutionized art as we know it today. Artists like Claude Monet, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and Edgar Degas found inspiration in the ever-changing light and atmosphere of Montmartre. The village's vibrant street life, its windmills and vineyards offered them a plethora of subjects to explore in their paintings. The turn of the century ushered in a new wave of artists, the avant-garde, who strove to push the boundaries of artistic expression. It was in Montmartre that Pablo Picasso and his contemporaries birthed Cubism, a radical departure from traditional methods of representation. The village's lively cabarets and dance halls also became a subject of fascination for artists. The world-renowned painting at the Moulin Rouge by Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec encapsulates the vibrant nightlife of Montmartre during the Belle Époque. In the mid-20th century, artists like Salvador Dali were drawn to Montmartre's surrealistic appeal. His dreamlike renderings of the village's landscapes further cemented its reputation as an artistic paradise. The art world owes a great deal to this enchanting village. Montmartre has been a sanctuary for artists, a place where they could live, breathe, and create art. It has fostered innovation and provided a fertile ground for artistic movements to flourish. It's no wonder that even today, artists from all over the world flock to Montmartre, hoping to capture a piece of its magic in their work. Montmartre, a beacon of inspiration, has etched its name in the annals of art history. the Montmartre of today continues to uphold its artistic legacy. As we delve into the modern era, the artistic fervor of Montmartre remains undiminished. The village has held on to its heritage with a grace that defies the passage of time. It's as if the spirit of the artists' past has seeped into the very cobblestones, inspiring a new generation of artists who continue to flock to this artistic haven. In every corner, from the Place du Tertre to the bustling cafes, the modern art scene thrives. Contemporary artists, armed with their brushes and palettes, weave their magic, much like their illustrious predecessors. The village, with its vibrant energy and bohemian charm, serves as their muse, turning Montmartre into an open-air studio. The village also plays a significant role in today's art world. Montmartre's art scene is not just about preserving the old, but also about nurturing the new. The art studios, galleries and museums of Montmartre are filled with modern masterpieces that push the boundaries of creativity. They echo the innovative spirit of the artists who once roamed its streets, reminding us that art is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and breaking new ground. Thus, Montmartre remains a living testament to the enduring power of art. Its legacy continues to inspire, and its streets continue to resonate with the vibrant colors of creativity. It's not just a village, but a living canvas, a testament to the timeless allure of art. In the end, the magic of Montmartre lies not just in its art, but in its ability to inspire. As we've journeyed through, we've discovered the rich tapestry of its history, a history that is as colorful and diverse as the art that it has given birth to. We've explored its profound impact on the art world, serving as a nurturing ground for many of the great artists who have shaped our cultural landscape. The modern Montmartre, while evolving with the times, remains a beacon for artists and art enthusiasts alike. It continues to stoke the embers of inspiration, breathing life into new visions and dreams. It is a living testament to the enduring allure of creativity. Montmartre is more than just a village in Paris. It's a celebration of artistic spirit, a testament to the power of creativity, and an ongoing dialogue between the past, the present, and the future of art. So, the next time you find yourself wondering about the world of Montmartre, remember, it's not just a village, it's a journey through the vibrant world of art.